Ah, yeah, the album. Yeah. Confessions. Yeah. Well, you know, it all got started because I am your warrior, and yeah, produce it alone with like blood and sweat and tears. So yeah, the music I think is the best I ever heard. So Confessions is the album name. So yeah, if you want to hear it, it's Spotify, on Aapo. So yeah, it's really do recommend that your people should read it. You know what I'm saying. And also, yeah, well, my favorite song from the album, from my own album, of course, it's called Lounge Lizard. So yeah, it's really a great melody I've wrote kind of with my elbows in the mud, kind of like this. So yeah, basically I kind of stopped ISIS with it and yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, go listen if you like to.